All right, y'all. I want to show y'all some pairs from a cash out I did. $300 for these 9 pairs, y'all. I'm going to run through them real quick. Let me know how your boy did. All used pairs. I told y'all when it comes to local selling and buying, I love to use. So I'm going to go ahead and go reverse, show y'all the best pairs first. Probably the best pair, obviously, you know, Jordan 11 cherries right here. This pair, all pairs are size 9 or 9.5, I believe. Obviously, being from the same person. This pair is a size 9, used, decently clean. Just need to scrub those bottoms. You know, anytime you get some 11s, I'm selling used pairs. I want the bottoms to look as icy as possible. So we got those, size 9. The other 2 good pairs I'd say from the buyout are these right here. We got the reverse Papa Bears right here. He actually got these for me, worn them a couple times, and he decided they wasn't for him. So this pair is worn super lightly, comes with the extra gold laces. Gotta love it. Other solid pair I'd say we got is these Air Vapor Max Pluses right here. Looks like they're worn pretty lightly as well. You got that olive green colorway. Yeah, and anytime you have any shoe that has the olive green colorway, that orange just pops on it really good. I don't know, for some reason, maybe because the undefeated 4s, if y'all know about those, orange just always looks really good bouncing off that olive green. So at those 3, we had 200, y'all. 80, 60, 60. Now it's to the pairs that are a little bit harder to move. So at those 3, we had 200, and basically, if you just do the math, we got 6 pairs of used Dunks, all for 100 bucks. So for the 3 pairs I showed you, I was kind of more specific on what I wanted to pay. But when it comes to the Dunks, I just explained to them, like, some of these plaids, like pairs like this go for 60 to 80 brand new. So I got to be super low when it comes to buying them used. And like pairs like this pair is pretty cooked. Goldenrods, cooked. These all whites, I wouldn't say cooked, but worn a solid amount. Pandas, I'm pretty sure, are pretty whooped, y'all. Look at that toe box, just beat. And I just explained to my guy, he's solid. You know, the Dunks ain't what they used to be. They're still great everyday shoes, but when it comes to the resale value, it's extremely low. A lot of the pairs now go for under retail, y'all. So I gotta be, you know, I gotta pay what I gotta pay. These 2 pairs ain't too bad. You got the Cheetahs right here. Again, goes for like 100 brand new. That pair is lightly used. And then this Mystic Red pair right here. These 2 ain't too bad. I'd say probably worn like 4 or 5 times. But again, it goes for 70, 80 brand new. So what I gotta sell the used pair for 40, 50, even if they're clean. So I gotta be low. So if you just wanna do 100 divided by 6, that's around 16, 17 bucks a pair. But like some of these, realistically, like these, I gotta pick these up for 10 because being beat, I gotta sell this pair for like 20, 30 bucks. He understood that. He was super understanding. Yeah, so $300 for 9 pairs, basically $200 on the 3. I'd say solid pairs that should move pretty good because I'm gonna price them really good. And then we got these used Dunks. 2 are solid condition. The other 4 I'd say are pretty beat. So 6 pairs for 100 bucks, 300 for 9 pairs. Let me know what y'all think of this cash out. I want to try something. I'm gonna spend time cleaning these tonight, and we're gonna get them posted tomorrow. We're gonna see how much we could turn $300 to. Basically, we just want to see if this was a good cash out or not. Again, so basically, I'm gonna take you guys with me to every meetup in which I sell one of the pairs only from this cash out. That's what this video is gonna be about. All the pairs strictly from this cash out. Let's get it. All right, y'all. First pair going out of the challenge. We posted all the pairs except 2 of them because they need to dry. They're all posted up. We got the first pair going out. These Cheetah Dunks. This pair is going out for $60. My guy sent 60 already there. Y'all can see the Zelle at the bottom, $60. Now we just got to go link up with him and get this pair to him. So first pair gone. Let's see how much we sell the other pairs for. Let's get it. What's going on, boss? A good I like 2 other people trying to send money for this. A good thing you hit me fast.
That's good.
9.5, right?
Yeah.
All good, brother. Appreciate you.
Yep.
Have a blessed day, man. All right, y'all. Next pair we got going out is these Tartan plaid Dunks, size 9.5. Used again, but clean. We got this pair going out for 50 bucks, y'all. So let's get this 50. I'm pretty sure that's my. Watch out for this. Don't hit this whip. This trip up. Yeah, what's good, bro? What you got going on?
Chilling. Better get this girl some habit.
Hey, I love to have it.
I fuck with this potato fries.
Yeah.
Potato fries. How much owe you again?
50. It's not like that. Yeah, I got change. Oh my, no, that's what you got.
So that's, I got 100.
100. You got Apple Pay or something?
No, I got Cash App.
Cash App's cool. You want to Cash App it?
Yeah, I can use Cash App.
Yeah, that's cool. Yeah.
I was like, my motherfucker right on, bro.
Yeah, hell yeah.
God, they look clean, bro.
Yeah, they're clean. All my use shit is never no, like, you feel me?
No,
I never sell no beat shit. I don't like.
All
right, y'all, we got more pairs going out. My guy yesterday from the plaid Dunks ended up sending me 60. He wasn't able to send it to me right away, and I didn't have change. So he threw me an extra 10, so we ended up getting 60 for those plaid dunks. All right, y'all, now we got 4 pairs going out, again, all from the same cash out. So originally on my Instagram this morning, I posted up a little steal deal. So many people were hitting me up, and my guy that cashed out on this 4-piece, he tapped in first. We got the all white dunks, these golden rods, and then the pandas. So all 3, I put them up for $40 a piece. Someone could take 2 pairs if they wanted them for 70, or all 3 for 100. I even put on my post to tap in fast because I knew people were going to be flying at that price. 3 pairs of dunks even being used, all for 100, was a really good price. Of course, he has to cover shipping because I do have to get these shipped to him. But he also picked up these reverse Papa Bears. This pair is super fire right here. This pair was super lightly worn. It comes with the red laces and the gold laces. For all 4 pairs, he sent $230 shipped. It's gonna cost me around $20 to get this shipped out. So the net ended up being $210. Remember, we sold those cheetahs for 60, and then we also sold those plaids for 60. So if you do the total real quick, we should be at $330. So we're already at $30 in the profit, and we still got 3 pairs left, y'all. We got those Vapor Maxes, super good pair. We got these Mystic Reds, I believe they're called, super clean pair. And then we also have the cherries left. So we're already 30 in the profit, and we got 3 pairs left. I'm hoping to double up on this cash out. So that's what I'm hoping ends up happening. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get these pairs boxed up and shipped out. 3 pairs left, let's get it. All right, y'all, next pair we got going out from that cash out is these green Air Vapor Max Pluses, size 9.5. We got these going out for $100. So after we sell this pair, we will be at $430 in sales. Remember, we spent $300 on the cash out, so we are already plus $130, and we still have 2 pairs left to sell. So let's go get this 100, y'all. He's okay, yeah.
The 6? Hell,
oh yeah, yeah.
The 6s.
Wanna check them out quick? This is clean, bro. It's like one of the best colors.
Yeah,
I like that little. I like that little orange shit.
Yeah.
These like brand new market on these like 300.
For real?
Yeah, that's what they brand.
This specific color?
Yep, this specific colorway. Yeah, check them out.
Oh, yeah, the bottom.
Yeah, they're not bad. It's all good, bro. Appreciate you, man. Have a good day. Yes, sir. $100, 2 pairs left. Let's see what we get to, y'all. All right, y'all, we are down to the last pair from this cash out. We did end up selling those Cherry 11s local for $110, 110. So with that 110, we are now at a plus 240. I really want to get to that double up on this. Remember, we spent $300 on the 9 pairs. Right now, the total we have received is $540. So I have these posted right now for 60 bucks. Which if it sells will put us right at the 100% profit margin. A great cash out in my opinion, regardless if this sells for 60 or even a little bit less. Great margins, but we trying to get 60 on this, y'all. We trying to get that double up. So I will update you as this pair sells, but let's get to it. All right, y'all, we finally got this pair going out, the red and green. This is the last pair from that cash out for $60. So we did get the number that we wanted. I had a bunch of people hit me 40, 50, you know, shooting me offers. But like I said, I was trying to hold firm at 60 just so we could get to that $600 mark. So that way we could get the double up. We get that 100% profit. My guy is headed on the way to me right now. Once they get here, we're going to get that quick 60. And he also picking up another pair that's separate from this, obviously. But yeah, let's go get that quick 60, y'all. How you doing, brother?
What's up, bro? How you doing, bro?
Good, man. How you doing? Got the 14s back here, too.
For sure, for sure.
So here's those 9.5s, like I said.
No box for the 14s, right?
Yeah, no box,
That's
but
cool.
super clean. Yeah, someone else wanted me to drop them. I was like, man, I tried to cop last time, but I couldn't get to you.
So good clean.
Yeah.
Good. No
Whenever I say my stuff's clean, it's always clean. So.
Yeah. Let me see the 14s.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Super clean.
Yeah, man, this is from a 12-year-old.
12-year-old?
Yeah, he wears size 13, 12 and a half, 13 outside.
Jumpman's still in there.
Yeah, I mean,
still good. Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. Looking out.
No box.
You got change?
Yeah, what you got, 200s?
Yeah, $2.
Okay. So, yeah, 20, I got you, bro.
Yeah, baby.
Ooh, 12-year-old, 13? What?
Yeah, this is from my 10-year-old.
Hey, they got some
big ass feet, man. Look, I got a 10 and a half.
that's my size.
Yeah.
Is their mom tall?
Oh yeah,
Oh,
we got our.
you got some
it's- yeah,
family?
Some family talk, so we just from the siblings and all that.
Yeah.
So it skipped our generation so far. I'm the short one.
10 and a half is actually bigger than average though. No,
Yeah,
I think like 9.5 is average, so 9 and a half.
So I'm a 10 and a half, 10, so it's all good.
All
bro,
good,
thank
brother.
you, man.
Appreciate you, man.
Yep. Yeah,
you
hit
have a
y'all
blessed
more.
day. Yes,
For
sir.
sure.
Yes, sir. Let's get it. All right, y'all, we did it. We got the double up. Spent $300 total on that cash out, and after we sold 9 pairs, we got $600 back, so that's $300 profit. That is why I have fell in love with used shoes. You get them for cheap, you get good margins, and you get shoes to people at great prices. So we're gonna continue to buy used. I appreciate y'all for being here, supporting your boy as always. So yeah, something a little bit different in this video. You know, I'm always brainstorming, trying to think of new ideas, new videos I could drop for you guys. I appreciate every single one of y'all for being here. And once again, I can't say it enough. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Please subscribe, come along on this journey with your boy here at Dream Chaser Kicks. Follow your boy on Instagram again at Dream Chaser Kicks to get you or a loved one laced up. I appreciate y'all. I love every single one of you. And you guys have a blessed rest of your day. And I'll see you guys next time. Deuces.